Hi, this is Tree Nguyen with Toshiba Security, and I'm going to show you how to add cameras to our ESV16 network video recorder. Right now I'm connected to the ESV16 interface just through my browser, and the first thing I want to do is click on NVR Setup in the upper right hand corner. Then I want to go ahead and click on the left hand side of the menu, Channel Configuration and Channel Setting. From here I want to go ahead and click on my search button, or search again if you've already searched for cameras before. It'll perform a search of all the cameras that are connected on your network, and it'll show up in this list. It'll show the brand, the model, the IP address, and the port number. So right now I just have 8 cameras connected. They're IKWR12As. I want to go ahead and click on the first one and click on the configure button, and that configure button will show me some additional information in my add new channel window. It'll show the channel ID that I'm going to be adding it to, the name and the IP address, and this is where I would input my username and password. Once I do that, I go ahead and click on detect, and it'll detect some video information from the camera. If I scroll down, I can see this video information such as the video port, the format, the resolution, frame rate, and my quality, and I can adjust these. Now these settings are for my live view. In the lower portion of my additional camera information is my record information, and I can record continuous. I'll just uncheck that because we want to record on motion. I want full frame rate, and I can choose my format, resolution, frame rate, bit mode, and quality, and I'll uncheck record audio, and I'll go ahead and check the preview button to preview a video of the camera that I'm going to be adding. Once I do that, I can click on add and then click on OK to confirm that it's been successfully installed. And up here in my camera list, I can see that there's an asterisk under the column installed to let me know that that camera has already been installed. So I can go ahead and repeat the same steps for my additional cameras. Or if my cameras are not showing up in my search list, I can manually add it by typing in the IP address of the camera. For example, I'm just going to be using 192.168.101.60, the username and password, and click on detect, and it'll detect a camera as well. If I click on my main view button, I can see the camera that I added, and I can verify that. Double click on that to expand that to full screen. Double click again to go back into my 4x4 mode. Now if I go back into my NVR setup, I can see in the channel settings that channel 1 is populated with this camera at IP address .51. If I click on that IP address, it'll actually open up the menu of the camera itself. So if I wanted to adjust any advanced settings on the cameras, I can do that from here through the browser, such as setting up my motion detection window. So I'll go ahead and just close that back up so we can get back into our ESV16 browser window. And for all my other cameras, I can do the same. I can just add additional cameras. For more information on the ESV16 network video recorder, please visit our website, toshibasecurity.com. Thank you for watching.